So, a very warm welcome to everyone who joined today's live premiere of the results of KidsCast Drawing Competition 2022. My name is Akhil Sharma, and today I will be declaring the results of the Drawing Competition 2022, organized by KidsCast. Well, this year, the KidsCast team is a bit disappointed that we got really few submissions in this competition. Yet, that is not a big issue, as there are so many more events coming up in the future. So, before announcing the results, as usual, let me tell you a bit about KidsCast. KidsCast is an initiative for kids where we publish articles for kids to read on so many interesting topics: space, animals, mysteries, science, history, and so many more. We also have other interesting features like podcasts, animated videos, puzzles, and quizzes for kids. Launched in 2020, we are a growing initiative and would love if you would spread our word to others. To be honest, the judgment of this competition and the artwork submitted was not even in the hands of KidsCast, and even we had no idea who were the winners until 2 days back. The judgment is done on the basis of neatness, professionalism, hard work, and reality. Nevertheless, let's hear out the results. Just before that, we would also like to tell you that we didn't receive any drawing or artwork submissions from 5 to 7 and 12 to 14-year-old categories, but we did receive many submissions from 8 to 11 years old categories. So now, are we ready for the results? Get, set, and go. From the 18 to 11 years old category, the third prize goes to Daksh Goyal from Pune, India. The second prize goes to Arayana Pawar from Gurugram, India. And the first prize goes to Amrita Gupta from Gurugram, India. Congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much for your wonderful participations. We are proud of you and would like to thank you for your cooperation and also for tolerating all the troubles we caused you. So these were the results of the drawing competition organized by KidsCast 2022. What about the next drawing competition, you're thinking? Well, unfortunately it is in 2023, but it's going to be bigger, more interesting, and more competitive. So all the best for it too. Bye bye and see you soon.